Hey, what's up guys, Dr. M3 here. We had an incredible opportunity to check out this Lamborghini Sian from Lamborghini Broward when we were there picking up the Zago, and the owner was just so awesome. You see it here cruising with the 50th anniversary, the Avenger, Alex piloting, and this thing is just bonkers. The spec is unlike nothing I've ever seen before. There is not a car that's been spec'd like this, and honestly it looks way better in person than on video. I'm gonna shut up, show you this thing, going back to Broward too, and just showing you how awesome this spec is and take you along for the ride. So hang on, check it out. Okay, so before I give you the POV of Alex driving the anniversary, chasing this thing, I just gotta show you this car. The paint on this is incredible. That's purple carbon, by the way. Insane. The spec is unbelievable. And here's my buddy Abe getting out of the car, and honestly, this thing just blows you away. Just look at it. It is insanity how good the quality of this paint scheme is. Love it or hate it, it's incredible. So, the cool thing about it is you can see that it's 163. Awesome interior. And now it's time to take this bad boy for a spin. This is awesome.
need gas. Sounds good.
Well, guys, that's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for coming along. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn notification on, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok. Oh my God, listen to this car go. Once again, talk to you soon, and as I always say,